Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase a Roam tourist card online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the long lines and annoying queue times guys, you can go ahead and purchase the Roam tourist card using the first link you can find right here down in the description. So once you open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here from where we can get started. It doesn't matter if you're on your PC or mobile, the process is going to go the same. You're going to click the check button right here, which is going to show you all the available times that you can go ahead and choose the Roam tourist cards for. So we are going to go and select the participants right here. You can select who it is for. Let's say one adult. We are going to click save and continue, and then you can go ahead and select a date. So we can select any of the available dates right here, and then we can get started reserving our tickets. So we can click the next page once we go ahead and select all the dates and time slots. So we can go ahead and select your ticket options, whatever you prefer, and you're going to go ahead and be able to select it for every tourist attraction right here. So you're going to click save, select all the time slots. So let's go ahead and select one of the time slots right here, save and continue, and just like that we can go ahead and select our ticket options. So once you've selected all the available options right here for all the days that you want to go ahead and go, you can go and click the next button, which is going to take you to this page. From here you can get started with filling out your personal info such as your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on, and then we can go to the payment page. So once you filled out your name right here, we are going to go ahead and be able to go to the payment page, which is going to open up the payment page right here from where we can get started selecting the payment method that we want to use. So you're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Select whichever one you prefer. Once you've done so, click the pay button after filling out all your info, and this is going to enable you to purchase your tickets, and they're going to be sent to your email address that you use for your account. So go to description, select the link that you see right there. It's going to take you to the page. Just follow the steps I have explained right here, and you can get started with easily purchasing the tickets online. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.